Oh my god, so we have literally created this realistic thumbnail in just 2 minutes. I'm 100% sure you click this video because you want to save your time by creating the YouTube thumbnail in just 2 minutes with the help of ChatGPT. In this video, we'll see how you can create the whole thumbnail in a very 4K realistic quality in just 2 minutes with the help of ChatGPT. So for that, you just have to see my screen. Let's go. One of the so this is one of the YouTube thumbnail that I created with the help of ChatGPT in just 2 minutes, and you can also create it very easily. So for that, basically you just need to go to the ChatGPT, and don't worry if you don't know how to write the prompt to create the YouTube thumbnail. We are going to use the ChatGPT itself to give us the prompt, and then with the help of that prompt, we are going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So let's see it now. So now we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt. For that, we have to simply write this. So you can take a screenshot of this, and you have to just know about the three things which is very important. First is the facial expression that you want to keep. The second thing is mention that I'm posting my image for the reference of putting it in the YouTube thumbnail. And the third is the text that you want to show in your YouTube thumbnail. So after this, you just have to add your image, and after adding the image, you can make the YouTube thumbnail. So now I just have to attach my photo, so for which I'm using this image of mine, and now we are good to go. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us this prompt. So basically now we just have to copy this. You have to copy this whole negative prompt also, and then you have to copy this uh, create image. Just choose on this create image, and then add your photo again. After adding it, you are ready to create your YouTube thumbnail. So now let's see how's the result going to be. Oh my god, so we have literally created this realistic thumbnail in just 2 minutes, and you can see the quality is really superb, and I think this is really going to save our time. So guys, if this video is helpful, definitely you start trying it for your next videos and thumbnails. And आप जो इस वीडियो पे thumbnail देख रहे हैं, that is also I have created with the help of ChatGPT. I'm not using any other tool now because ChatGPT is going to save our time, and yeah, it's definitely like revolving, and it is going to change the whole game. So guys, I think if you like this video and this video is helpful, you just have to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope that I'll see you again with the new video. Thank you.